Aidan Murray is in there watching. How you, Aidan? First one in, Mal, on Facebook, anyway. And I can see Maria Soderstrom is in there as well. Look at that giant font in the chat. Yeah, look at it. What do you think of that, Maria? Am I overcompensating for anything, no? You think? Anyway, the chat thing that stops me going. This is the 7 o'clock stream, by the way, everybody. 7 o'clock / 8:35. Disaster trying to get going again tonight, but finally got going. It's amazing. I like being fonts and cannot lie. I still can't even see it, but I think it's working. I would have made the box a bit smaller, actually, in fairness. That's a bit gaudy. It's alright. It's okay. It's only taking up half the screen. I get there. I don't have time to ever practice it at all. Why the band? Hello from a little band in Canada. Hope you're well today. Hello, why the band? How are you getting on? What's the story? Nice to have you on the stream. You're listening on Twitch. That's fantastic. It's always great to have someone from another artist tune in as well. How are you getting on? I'm from Ireland. I'm streaming here from the heart of Dublin, and I have a quite fondness for Canada and Canadians. In fairness, they're a good bunch of people, and a good old place over there. It's got 4 seasons in Canada. Did you know that? In Ireland, we only have kind of 1. Maybe 2, pushing us, like sunshine sometimes and then sunshine with rain. Mossy Power is in there as well, another fantastic musician from Canada as well. Would you know? Do you know the band? Why the band? Is that would that be? Would you be any connection there? Mossy Power music. Fernie and Bill are in there as well. Hello from sunny Spain. Yeah, feckers you. And Sarah Louise is in there as well. Leona van der Meulen is in there as well, so that's mighty. And Renata is in there as well. It's almost 10 here and here. It's almost 10. That's right. You're in Italy, so yeah, you're right. It's because it's almost 9 here, which means you're an hour ahead or something, isn't it? Your volume is a bit low. Let me know if when I start going here. I'm just I'm kind of talking a little bit away from the microphone, but let me know. I'm going to kick off with a song here, Why the Band, and you can let me know then if it's okay for the music level. I've got plenty more poke there to push it up if I can there. Lovely to hang out with you. Was in Dublin a few years ago. Hope we can tour there. We'd love to see you over here touring, and once things open up again, you can let us know when you're coming over there, so maybe I can help you out. And vice versa, we'd love to go over there and do a little bit in Canada. We were getting around to it there, but we never did. Who else is there as well? Dublin is lovely. People are wonderful. They are. Dubs are good old cracks. They've been nice to me. Dublin's been good enough to me anyway. So 2:40 p.m. over there. Lovely. That's a nice afternoon, a Tuesday afternoon. Odelia is in there as well. Is better, yeah. So when I talk like that, it's a little bit better. I normally had a different microphone that I didn't need to go close to it like that. Okay, I got the old guitar ready. I'm sorry it took me absolutely ages, and I still don't. I'll have to get my harmonicas there in a second. I'll have to get my harmonicas there in a second if I wanted to do a little bit with them, but I forgot them. Of course, I don't have any plectrum. I'm still only getting the hang of the Twitch streaming. Why the band? As you might have guessed, with the absolutely horrifically giant font chat flying up and down here on my left hand side, and the lack of having Plex ready and stuff like that. But we're getting there. We're getting there eventually. You should have seen my my first stream there a couple of years ago. It wasn't even a stream; it was a test stream onto YouTube, and it didn't. Nothing worked for me, so I'm happy to be getting sound and stuff across here. Okay, so let's do a song, and we can do an old test and see how we're getting on with it. What's that? Let me see. 1, 2, check. What am I turning up and down there? I cannot see. It's a bit of reverb. Okay, we are on break making our new video for our single, and this is the perfect place to chill. Lovely. Sure, you can if you want, you can pop in the name of the single there if you want into the chat there as well. And sure, people, you can pop over there as well and follow Why the Band all the way from Canada, and they're in there having a bit of chatting there on Twitch. I have the amalgamated chat here as well in front of me, so I can see everyone who's chatting on YouTube as well. Michael McCormick is in there on YouTube. Evening Key, late night working tonight, so I could do with the music. Lovely stuff there. I'm going to be on here for a couple of hours anyway. I did a short stream on Sunday, but I'm hoping to stay on here for 2 or 3 hours. This is your 10-minute warning. Paul, what's going on? What did I miss? Paul is on Twitch. Okay. I think Paul is going to land into the Twitch here, or into the chat in about 10 minutes. A new song called Silvers, and will be out on October 12th. Let us know more about how you're doing the video there. I'm very interested in recording videos and stuff like that. You know, we like, myself and my brother playing a band called the Finns, and we love being self-contained with videos and all that kind of stuff. I'll do Go Lassie Go. We'll see how far. But the summertime is coming, and the trees are sweetly blooming, and the wild mountain thyme grows around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? And we'd all go together to pluck wild mountain thyme all around the bloomin' heather. Will you go, lassie, go? I would build my love bower near yon pure crystal fountain, and on it I will pile all the flowers of the mountain. So will you go, lassie, go? And we'd all go together to pluck wild mountain thyme all around the bloomin' heather. Will you go, lassie, go? If my true love, she were gone, I would surely find another where the wild mountain thyme grows around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? And we'd all go together to pluck wild mountain thyme all around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? Will you go, lassie, go? Will you go, lassie, go? Thank you very much. There is a lovely Scottish song there. People from Antrim argue that it's their song. I've heard. Let me see. Okay. Now, nice one. Who else do we see in here? Carly Hayden is in there as well. Hi, okay, long time no see. Great to see you, Carly. How is everything going over there? I forget when the big day was. Did it happen? No, it didn't. I'm losing my mind. It didn't happen. Well, it's happening soon, isn't it? Thanks very much. Thanks very much. Why the band? Probably all the nude pics. I don't know what is going on here. All is well. Nice to catch a Tuesday gig. Live music is back as per usual over here. So I'm usually out during the weekends. Seems like the lads and yourself are slowly back to regular gigs as well. We're getting back all right, Mossy. For sure, pal. I'm streaming today because I'm gigging tomorrow and Thursday and Friday and Saturday. So busy enough there. So it's nice that we're able to pick and choose. But I'm still trying to keep the Twitch going because it's cool. It's always something I wanted to do anyway, the streaming. So I'm delighted. I was able to over the last couple of years, over the last 2 years, 18 months, kind of hone in on it. No bother. Okay, so the guys put up there and their link to. Just going to ask for that song. No bother, Adrian. Fair play, man. We're on the same wavelength. The guys put up the link there. I think that's for their channel, their YouTube channel there. So check it out. Why the band? I think that's it. That's their link there. You'll see it there with YouTube in the link. And the new song is called Silvers. That's right. Missed you on Sunday, buddy. No bother, Liam. I almost missed myself on Sunday. It was only a kind of a quick stream there. I was on a leash and to come back up and I barely got going on it there. Sub to your YouTube. Fair play, thanks a million. Oh no, that was my channel, was it? On the that you posted up there, the link. Fair play, thanks a million. I will return the sub, Why the band. Okay. Aren't we all great here? Everyone's subbing to each other and liking each other's stuff. That's what it's all about. Okay, so pop in the requester. I do have a couple of songs that I wanted to try there as well, and I see Collie Dunn is watching here as well. I don't have this amalgamated chat doesn't tell me who is watching. It just tells me who's. I can just see the comments there. So. Okay, I'll do what was I going to do there? Jesus Christ, I can't think of anything. Bit of a dirty old town. Met my love by the gasworks wall, and I dreamed a dream by the old canal, while I kissed my girl by the factory wall. It's a dirty old town, It's a dirty old town, when our clouds are drifting all across the moon, and cats are prowling on their beat, where there springs a girl to the streets at night. It's a dirty old town, it's a dirty old town. But I heard a siren, it was coming from the docks, and I saw a train, it set the night on fire. But I smelled spring on the smoky wind. It's a dirty old town, it's a dirty old town. Well, I'm gonna make me a sharp axe of shining steel, tempered in the fire. Well, I'll chop you down like an old dead tree. It's a dirty old town, it's a dirty old town. Well, I met my love by the gasworks wall, and I dreamed a dream by the old canal. Well, I kissed my girl by the factory wall. It's a dirty old town, it's a dirty old town. Well, it's a dirty old town, well, it's a dirty old town, dirty old town. Thanks very much. There's a song called Dirty Old Town. Bernadette is in there as well. How are you getting on, Bernadette? Vidal is in. Where else did I see there? Brian is the singer. Brian is the singer from the band there from Canada. Why the band? The band is called Why? Okay, I get you. So the band is called Why. So that's brilliant. So Brian is in there. Obviously, I get it. Why the band? I get you. I get it. Okay. Big day for the Hayden clan tomorrow. Got our 20-week halfway point appointment. Halfway point appointment for the baby girl. Congratulations, Carly. That's great. The time is flying, isn't it? Jesus, that's madness. And fair play there to Tommy as well. I hope you're doing well there, and of course you're looking forward to it there, to the new edition. Okay, where did I see there? Maria, I did think about the song about the White Rabbit today. But I never got around to doing it. I was talking about the two songs, about the dog song for Paul. Paul was Master McGrath. It was a song about the dog who was able to catch the rabbit, and then the Craig white hair is the rabbit who avoided the dog. But I wonder, like, let me see. I know I went over a few times on the little guitar, on my tenor guitar, but I might get that down. I might get it in a minute when I'm getting my my harmonicas. Craig, hold on a second. Why do I not have the words with here? That's weird. Here. Oh, that's a bit bull. Let me check that in a second there. Sherry. Jesus, Shane. It was Shaneland, wasn't it? Wasn't that right? Sherry Shaneland? Shane Leon. Definitely Shane anyway is the first syllable. You're very, very welcome into the stream again, Sherry, and I hope you're doing well. By the way, I should have only been streaming on Twitch tonight, because I was kind of dedicating my midweek Twitch or midweek streams to Twitch only. But because the Sunday was so short, I said I'd go on there to Facebook as well. Some people aren't on Twitch. Yeah, rainy night in Soho. To go with the rainy night in Newport. Okay, and I'll pop down and get my old harmonicas for that. I just forgot to get them. His name fits on Facebook. Will someone heckle him for me, please? Hello everyone. Key, I could have come over tonight for a stream. Not too late, boy. You could, man, but just bear in mind there that I'm trying to do a midweek stream every Wednesday. I just couldn't tomorrow, but you could have. He's by himself this week. You could have. It would have been perfect. But I only got going there. Well, that would have been okay. Jerk. If you want, you can pop over there for an hour, man, if you want, or just relax. Yeah, but I'm always doing a midweek stream, if I can, but we know if I'm not anywhere else. So just bear that in mind, dude. God, how many songs did I sing? 1, 2. Jesus. Let me do something else here, and then I'll get where else are you streaming? I'm on Facebook, and I'm on Facebook and YouTube. Brian, I haven't committed there to the Twitch thing yet. Bex is in there as well. I haven't committed there fully to the Twitch. So I'm streaming and multicasting, as they call it. Tenor guitar. I'll get the tenor guitar and I'll have a look to see if I can do a verse or two of the Craig and White here. Our Twitch for a comment. Here, a Twitch for a comment. Get the algorithms going. Fair play to you, Liam, good man. Hey, we are omnipresent. Ryan is on the ball. Ryan is on the ball there, and he's over on YouTube there as well. It's too late. I'm drinking. And I forgot to get myself a few cans of Guinness today. I'm on the fucking tea again. Okay, I better do a song here. I better do a song. I'll do a Canadian song. And do you know this is a Canadian folk song called Sonny's Dreams. I'm just wondering, Brian from Hawaii, have you heard of a song that I've always meant to learn, Spirit of the West, Home for a Rest. It's such a cool song, but I've never got around to learning it there. I just listened to it a few times. Here's the Sonny, Don't Go Away. And then I'll get the harmonica and I'll do a Rainy Night in Soho for you. Sonny, don't go away, I'm here all alone. Your daddy, the sailor, never comes home. The nights are so long and silence goes on. I'm feeling so tired and I'm not all that strong. Sonny lives on a farm in a wide open space. Take off your shoes, son, stay out of the race. Lay down your head on a soft riverbed. Sonny always remembers the words his mammy says. Sonny, don't go away, I'm here all alone. Your daddy, the sailor, never comes home. Nights are so long and silence goes on. Oh, I'm feeling so tired and I'm not all that strong. The son he works on the land, though he is barely a man. There's not much to do, but he does what he can. He sits by the window in his room by the stairs, and he watches the waves gently wash upon the pier. Sonny, don't go away, I'm here all alone. Your daddy the sailor never comes home, and nights are so long and silence goes on. Oh, I'm feeling so tired, and I'm not all that strong. Many years have rolled on, Sonny's old and alone. His daddy the sailor never comes home. Sometimes he wonders what his life might have been, but from the grave his mammy still haunts his dreams. Sonny, don't go away, I'm here all alone. Your daddy the sailor never comes home. The nights are so long, the silence goes on. Oh, I'm feeling so tired, and I'm not all that strong. Sonny, don't go away, I'm here all alone. Your daddy the sailor never comes home. The nights are so long, the silence goes on. Oh, I'm feeling so tired, and I'm not all that strong. Sonny, don't go away. Thanks very much. There's a little bit of Sonny's Dream, and that's a Canadian song, that one, that bad boy right there. And hold on a second, I'm going to just go and get the harmonicas there. I forgot them during me gigging bag. Thanks very much. People might take that up the wrong way. Oh, that's great. I will go live soon. Good man, Neve. Yeah, have you been going live at all lately? Have you have time to do it? Everyone is there to put up there's a few people now maybe on Twitch, I think. Fair play to you. Thanks for liking my Facebook page, Brian. Some follower milestone. I don't know what's going on here. I'm not on Instagram anyway, no. Like when I tried to go live on Instagram before, we tried it before. You need to do a Hebrew song, Odelia. I don't know any Hebrew songs, Odelia, unless you could suggest a few to me there. I wouldn't like to attempt a melody, Hebrew melody that I think is Hebrew melody, because I wouldn't want to offend you there or anything like that. It would come out sounding weird, I think. But I'm not on Instagram. Yeah, when I went live on Instagram before, we went live on Instagram before, and it cut us off. I think it was like it was scanning the songs, and then it knocked us off because it thought we were like a DJ and stuff, you know. Just give me a second there, and I'm going to get the harmonicas there. Turned out we're here all the time. And brought the tenor up there as well, in case I can, I might be able to tempt the old Cregan. Grey hair. Remember, I learnt it down and I forgot it again. Okay, I'll do, how was that one there? Rainy Night in Soho. How was I hanging that before? Oh no, around my head, that's what I need to do. So, there's comments are fine in there. Hot Asphalt, I'll do that one for you, Sarah. Absolutely, I'll do that one. I think I said I was going to do that one for you a while ago, another stream, and I never did. So I'll do that for you now. I'll do it after the Rainy Night in Soho. And Finn's swag looking good. You can look cool by going to the Finn's merch shop. You can indeed. You too can look like myself. Nice and chunky and finish. What else? This so I had these opened now. Okay. Let me see here. I haven't drank my tea yet. That's a load of balls. Yeah. Did I mention the old Master McGrath? Yeah, Paul. It's definitely on the list. I haven't practiced now or gone at it in a while. But I might have a go of it here. If I'm going to give Craig and Grey Hair a go, a few verses, I might do the same for Master McGrath. But the melody of it there just escapes me a little bit there for the moment. Where is the roadie indeed? Were you still on the stream there? Because you had a request there for people there for you to do an old solo stream. What do you think of that? Okay. Okay, I got down to these are two kinds. The kind of Against Mickey and my two little men had back off 2 weeks. You're a busy man, so Liam, this is so quiet. I know I have to get one of those like stream music there. I could probably do it there now. No, I couldn't. I'd only mess it up. Have music playing in the background there. Yeah, indeed, I hope they're on the mend. It's eerily quiet, yeah. I better do something here, and then I'll get the comments. Loving you a long time, down all the years and down all the days, and I've cried for all your troubles, smile at your funny little ways. We watched our friends grow up together, and we saw them as they fell. And some of them fell into heaven, and some of them fell into hell. I took shelter from a shower, and I stepped into your arms. On a rainy night in Soho, the wind was whistling all its charms, and I sang you all my sorrows, and you told me all your joys. Whatever happened to that old song, to all those little girls and boys? Sometimes I wake up in the morning, a ginger lady by my bed, covered in a cloak of silence. I hear you talking in my head. I'm not singing for the future, I'm not dreaming of the past, I'm not talking of the first time. I never think about the last. Now the song is nearly over. We may never find out what it means, and still there's a light I hold before me. Now you're the measure of my dreams, the measure of my dreams. Thanks very much. Oh, I did it again. Just been on my way home. Tobias is on his way home. Bollocks though he is. Looking forward to some calm songs now. We have a couple of calm ones done alright, Toby. And we don't know where it's going to go. ASMR. Is that stuff, isn't it? What's up? I'm going to talk like this for the rest of the gig. I don't like it. It sounds weird. Drives me mad. Yodeling pickle or something. Where did I see something there about the bird whistle? I'm not getting the bird whistle. I'm saving that, Kelly, until it's for Finn's stream there. And I was showing my other half there, and she thought I was like a wizard. I was like, look at this whistle, and then I put water into it, and then she couldn't believe it. She wasn't that mesmerised with it, in fairness. This is why we need to get back on the streams. I'll send you a DM on Twitter link. It'll be awesome to hear you sing. Send it on to me, Adelia. I don't mind if it's stranger things have happened. I learned the German silent night before Lanigan's ball, so I won't rule out learning foreign stuff there. Sometimes it's kind of easier than some of the Irish stuff. What's going on here? Music. I'll do a hot asphalt. That's right. I forgot there. I was going to do hot asphalt. And thanks very much, guys. I'll continue on as quickly as I can here. But it looks like you're having a good old chat there amongst yourselves. And if I missed you, if I haven't seen any of your comments there, I'm sorry. There's just so many in front of me there, and I struggle there to see it there. But I'll try and get the grips on it there in a bit. Drink some tea here because I haven't drank it in a while. Rotten. Let's see if we got a better drum than that. Oh shit. Oh hey. Oh. No. No shit, no. Oh. That's alright, I like that one. I do miss the old banjo on this one, but we... Well, good evening, all me jolly lads, I'm glad to find you well. If you gather all around me, know me story I will tell. For I've got a situation, a gara and a gob. I can whisper all the weekly wage of 19 bob. 12 months come October since I've left me native home, after helping them Killarney boys to bring the harvest down. But now I wear a ganzy and around me waisted belt, I'm the gaffer of the squad that makes the hot asphalt. We laid it in the hollows and we laid it in the flats. If it doesn't last forever, sure I swear I'll lick me hat. Well, I've wandered up and down the morning, sure I've never felt any surface that was equal to the hot asphalt. The other night the copper comes to me, he says, Maguire, would you kindly let me light me pipe down at your boiler fire? And he planks himself right down in front, hobbing us up till late. Says, I be decent man, you better go and find your bait. He ups and yells, I'm down on you, I'm up to all your pranks. Don't I know you've hesitated from the Tipperary ranks? Boys, I hit you from the soldier, I hit him such a belt, and I knocked him into the boiler full of the hot asphalt. We laid it in the hollows and we laid it in the flats. If it doesn't last forever, sure I swear I'll leave me hat. Well, I've wandered up and down and wormed, I'm sure I've never felt any surface that was equal to the hot asphalt. Well, we quickly dragged them out again and threw him in the tub, and with soap and warm water we began to rub and scrub. But the devil, the thing had hardened, and it hardened hard as stone. With every other rupture you could hear the hopper groan. I'm thinking, says O'Reilly, that he's looking like old Nick, and burn me if I'm not inclined to claim him with me big mouth. Says I, it would be easier to boil him till he melts, and light and easy with the hot asphalt. We laid it in the hollows and we laid it in the flats. If it doesn't last forever, sure I swear I'll lick me hat. Boys, I've wandered up and down the world, sure I've never felt any surface that was equal to the hot asphalt. you may talk about your sailor lads, but it's singers and the rest, your shoemakers and your tailors, but we please the ladies best. The only ones to know their way, their filthy hearts to melt, are the lads around the boiler making the hot asphalt. With rubbing and with scrubbing, sure I got me dead of cold. For scientific purposes, me body it was sold. In the Kelvin Grow Museum, me boys I'm hanging in me pelt, as a monument to the Irish making the hot asphalt. We'll eat it in the hollows and we'll eat it in the flats. If it doesn't last forever, sure it's where I'll leave me hat. Well, I wandered up and down the world, as sure I've never felt any surface that was equal to the hot asphalt. We'll eat it in the hollows and we'll eat it in the flats. If it doesn't last forever, sure it's where I'll leave me hat. Well, I wandered up and down the world, and sure I've never felt any surface that was equal to the hot asphalt. Hot ash felt there. That was for Sarah Eichhoff, I think, wasn't it? I don't know what's going on here. Oh yeah, there I thought it was a wizard. I am. Ear banjo there going on there as well. Love the way you chat to your stomp box. I do. I was at this is a different stomp box today. I was transferring some of the samples from the other one onto this one, because this one I wasn't using for some reason. So I didn't test out how the sounds were going to sound on it there, so some of them were a bit harsh. Hot ass belt. Very nice. Dirt cheap they are. Sunday's solo stream. Good man, Toby. I never got around to it there actually, but to download the other ones there. But I'll do it there for sure after this one. When because I have a couple of bit of housekeeping to do there on the computer. Thanks very much, Sherry. Tafalcha Road, Sarah. You're very welcome. Thanks, Marcel. Good man, pal. Thanks very much. Okay. And what else was I going to do here? I was going to. Was there another one that came in there that I saw? I was going to try. In the lowlands of Clay. Let me just Craig and White here and just see what comes up for it here. Craig and White. I thought I could have sworn I put those lyrics on my notes there. I know I was looking for them. I don't know which one is which. Let's try these ones here. And I'll do the bog standard. Look at this stupid lyrics thing. Why don't you just make it easy? Copy and paste it. Maybe this one might work. In the lowlands of Cragen. Sometimes when you copy on the phone, on my phone anyway, you copy. It just doesn't work. Doesn't work. Oh, look at it. If I got the Karen Casey lyrics, here it might be better. It pastes in with no spaces. Look at that now. I can't even. It's not even scrolling down for me. Now it's too much on her. Hold on a second. I'll open it up here on Chrome or something here. Might be easier. No, I won't do that because I don't use that one. Google. So Marie was looking for this one here. I've never done it. Let's see though. What else was requested there as well? And I could keep nibbling at this one here during the songs. At the lyrics, Craig and I hear lyrics. Hills of Donegal, please. I'll do that one for you, Bex. But there's a loot right now. Can you try Arthur McBride? Never heard you play it yet. Ryan McNamee. I've always meant a zombie as well. I've always meant to learn the riff, and I touched on the riff there last year when I was playing around with something, and I never got around to it again. Down on D. I definitely could push up to E. I'll try that one there for you. That's a kind of a Craig and Grey Hair kind of buzz. Look at this. It's not letting me. Can you just scroll down with me? Can you just? Jesus. I normally get all my lyrics there from A to Z lyrics. But they're not on that. Here's one here. It might work. This one is working now. I can see. I can select it and scroll down with it. Jeez, there's only 57 verses in it. We're all right. Not too bad. Copy. Okay, let's see how this goes in, because sometimes it doesn't put spaces in the middle of them. All right. Of course, no spaces in it. Ah! I'll have to leave that there for a second. I'll do his is only gone, and I'll come back then to Craig and Grey Hair and see if I can get there. And Bowie, Bowie, you're still watching there, would you send me on Craig and Grey Hair, and there is one there in an email, will you, with spaces in between the fucking verses there, because that I'm downloading, that I'm copying here on my phone. It just pastes it into my notes with no gaps between the verses, you know. Okay, here's Hills of Donegal. Talk about Atlantis, how us lost beneath the sea. But I agree with the old loser, the rady old banshee. Who was the man in the iron mask? Jack the Ripper set free. But Austin always Donegal, it's still a mystery. And if I could, I'd build a wall all round all Donegal. Well, north and south, to keep them out, by God, I'd build them tall. You'd see those chicken ranches, and I'd legalize them all. We have our own Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Yeah, Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Late night pubs, all night club, blackjack and roulette. Neil Blaney, Bridget Nielsen, Mike Tyson having a bet. And in a show it will be known for its filthy millionaires. And Donald Trump would like a chunk to live in solitaire. If I could, I'd build a wall all round all Donegal. Well, north and south, to keep them out, by God, I'd build those chicken ranches, and I legalize them all. And we have our own Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Yeah, Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Standing top of every girl would give me such a thrill. Well, I heard you said in Dublin there's gold in them there hills. Don't asparagus if you dare the Angelite with me. There's a wall of Stevens going cheap somewhere in Germany. If I could, I'd build a wall all around Donegal. Well, north and south, to keep them out, by God, I'd build them tall. You'd see those chicken ranches, and I legalize them all. We have our own Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Yeah, Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Donegal, 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 Donegal. Ein Tag. Guten Abend. Well, if I could, I'd build a wall all around Donegal. Well, north and south, to keep them out, by God, I'd build them tall. You'd see those chicken ranches, and I legalize them all. And we have our own Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Yeah, Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Donegal, 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 Donegal. The hills of Doon and Owl. Bowie just sent me the old thanks, boobs. Sometimes it takes you to listen to someone, even if you're playing with them all the time, to kind of appreciate something though as well, don't you? And the lowlands of Craigan. No, I'm sorry I kind of committed to this now, because now I don't know how to do it. Let me see. What key was it? Oh, Jesus. I think it was on the tenor anyway. And then I have to try a bit of let's see the way. Pick up on this. Mute that. Mute that. Hello there. Stick in there. Pick up that. Do I have any sound? Okay, where was it here now? I think so. Tuner there, don't they? I should use that instead. So this is a tenor guitar, and I have it. I got this from a lad called Andy T. Brown. How are you? John Harty's in there as well. How are you getting on? B major. I don't know if I do it in B major. So I don't know what this is. But you could be right. Thanks very much. A woohoo is right. Mighty stuff. We'll lash it out. Up the dod. Right. This is. I'm going to try a verse or two of this. Because I know the phrasing is wrong there as well, you know. And it's very hard to do something there when someone else has absolutely mastered the song. and you're kind of in your head trying to make it sound like that. John Harty was a desperate little man. So yeah, I got this from a lad called Andy T. Brown made this, and he made the same guitar for Damien O'Kane, he's a fantastic banjo player and tenor guitar player. And I was kind of watching Damien O'Kane playing. I was like, man, he's class, and that guitar he's playing is deadly. But I had it tuned differently for ages. I had it tuned more like my own guitar, so I kind of was playing with that, and I loved it and stuff there. But this is tuned like a banjo now, and I'm kind of still learning the chords for it. So it would be and forgot again. Let me try here. In the lowlands of Creggendale lived the white hare, as swift as a swallow that flies through the air. We may travel the world over and none can compare the pride of all Creggan, that bonny white hare. One clear autumn morning, as you will suppose, the red golden, I can't get my head around it here. One clear autumn morning, one clear autumn morning, as well you suppose, the red golden sun o'er the mountain rose. Barney Conway came down, and he did declare, stay, I'll put an end to the bonny white hare. So we searched through the lowlands and down through the glen, and all among the ditches where the whitehead had ends. But at last, coming down over the fair, from behind the wild thistle jumps out the white hare. Bang, bang went his gun, bang, bang went his gun, and his dog slipped too, as swift as the wind o'er the green mountain dew. His dog soon came back and made Barney sigh. Knew that he, the white hair, had bid him goodbye. And we're some jolly sportsmen, and we're jolly sportsmen from here in Pomroy, from Cookstown and Gannon, and likewise the Mai. Our pedigree greyhounds are travelled so far, we've come down to the Cregan in our fine motor car. That's all you sent me, boy. 4, 5. In the lowlands of Cregan there lived the white hare, as swift as a swallow, swallow that flies through the air. He may tramp all the world over, but none can compare to the pride of all Cregan, that bonny white hare. One clear autumn morning, as well you'd suppose, o'er the red golden sun, o'er the green mountain rose, Barney Conway came down, and he did declare the stale put an end to that bonny white hare. So he searched through the lowlands and down through the glen, and among the high ditches where the white hare had ends, till the last coming down o'er the heather so fair, behind the white thistle jumps out the white hare. Bang, bang went his gun, and his dog slipped too, as swift o'er the wind, o'er the green mountain dew. But his dog soon came back, and it made Barney sigh, for he known that the white hare bid him goodbye. And we're some jolly sportsmen from down in Pomroy, from Cookstown, Dungannon, and likewise the Mai. With our pedigree greyhounds and travelled so far, and we've come down to Cregan with our fine motor car. Did he send me new ones? He did. Oh Jesus, loads of them. Hold on. Jesus. Worst stream ever. Oh jeez, this is hard. 5 turns the hare got then a bonny black bell, and 6 was the giving around John Hoffy's well. It was there we lost sight of the hare and the dog, and 10 minutes later came more the black bog. Well, that was the chase, and it went on, it was great for to see. The white hare and the black dog and roam light and free, till he travelled to Esker where she knew the lands well, and the bonny black Nella, and soon bid farewell. To conclude and to finish this rhyme, I'll hope you forgive me for me singing all this while. If there's any amongst you in this Carrickmore fair, please drunk up the health of that bonny white hare. That's it. Jesus Christ. Yeah, that was the. I got it. I was getting it there in the end. What a song. And it's only What a Song, I think, because of a man called Derry Farrell there made that one go viral, actually. Not just famous, but he made it go viral. So he's an old legend. And if you ever have a chance to go see Derry performing, you should absolutely take it. And he's such a lovely fella as well. And don't tell him I murdered your song there. Because no, he wouldn't make me murder your song. Yeah, a couple of verses there. So that was I give that one a shot there for Maria there, and I never did that one before, and that's a new tune in there for me as well there. Although it is kind of similar to kind of open tuning, the way the shapes I was playing, I just wasn't used to the space in it. Jeez, there's a lot more verses in that one. There is. I knew there was loads of verses there. I didn't even recognise some of them ones. No bother. I'll try a verse or two there of Paul's one there, the Master McGrath as well. They down and do, I think it's Planet, or they down and do a great version. But let me do some stuff that I actually know. How many adorable guitars do you have? I know it's another. Look at this one. This one actually is adorable. Look at that. It's an absolute beaut. Andy T. Brown. Go onto his website there if you're looking for an absolute beautiful guitar. He makes them ones here. He jumped in one of the streams one day. Thank God he didn't jump in to hear me do that. But I'll get that going. I'll get that song going now that I'm after christening it. That wasn't clear. Damien is amazing banjo player. He is, and deadly performer, deadly singer, deadly guitarist. Okay, so I'm gonna do what else did I see lads coming in there as well? I saw Zombie came in there, and I saw something else come in there as well. If you just want to pop in the request there again, so I'm not leaving anyone out there. Zombie, Marcel was looking for Zombie. Are you still there, Marcel? I'll try that one for you, pal. But if I missed that in there, lob it into the old chat. We still have loads of time anyway. So don't worry about it. I might just have to leave you in silence again while I make some tea. Maybe the woman. Oh, Marcel, you heading on? Oh, sorry, man. Are you still there? 48. I'll do Zombie for if you want, dude. Ready for Zombie? Okay, I'll do Zombie anyway then, and hopefully Marcel still has us on there. There's no harm doing this one again because I need all the work. I was on do you know Chad Pitsnick, who does be on some of the streams a lot there. He teaches like a rock class. He teaches rock music and music in general over in Nashville to these group of kids over there, class bunch of kids, and he had me on chatting about this song last week, Zombie, just because it was he wanted to get someone from Ireland and a musician from Ireland talking about the song, and had to do a bit of research on it myself. Very interesting song, the idea behind it. Like, I always knew what was it kind of about there, but I didn't really delve into it too much. But I did a little bit of homework on it there, and it's really cool, you know. So the way Dolores did talk about the song. So let's try this here. Guess the song. winner wins the prize for absolutely making nothing. Okay. Yep, bullet and butterfly wings. Close enough there, Paul. Another head hangs lowly, child is slowly taken, and the violence caused such silence. Who are we mistaken? You see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their bombs. In your head, they are crying. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, hey. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, 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 oh. Another mother's breaking heart is taken over. The violence causes silence. We must be mistaken. It's the same old theme since 1916. In your head, they're still fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are dying. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, hey. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, 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 oh. It's the same old theme since 1916. In your head, they're still fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are dying. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, hey. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, 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 oh. Da-da-da-da. Okay, nice one. Good stuff. That was from Marcel there. Even though I think he's gone now. Apologies, Marcel. I was too busy doing stuff there. Farting around. Let me see. Do I have Arthur McBride? And then I was going to try what's Master McGrath. What's this one here now again? Well, me and me cousin one Arthur McBride, as we went a-walking down by the seaside, and mark what followed and what did betide, for it being on Christmas morning. Out for recreation we went on a tramp, and we met Sergeant Napper and Corporal Vamp, little wee drummer intended to gamp, for the day being pleasant and charming. Good morning, the sergeant did cry, and the same to you gentlemen we did reply, intending no harm, but meant to pass by, for it being on Christmas morning. But he says, me fine fellows, if you will enlist, it's 10 guineas I'll slip in your fist, and a crown in the bargain for to kick up the dust, and the drink the king's held in the morning. For a soldier he leads a very fine life, and he always is blessed with a charming young wife, and he pays all his debts without sorrow and strife, and always live pleasant and charming. And a soldier, he always is decent and clean, and the finest of clothing and constantly seen, while other poor fellows go dirty and mean, and the sup and the gruel in the morning. But says Arthur, I wouldn't be proud of your clothes, for you've only the linen of them, as I suppose, and you dare not change them on night, for you know, if you do you'll be flogged in the morning. And although that we are single and free, we take great delight in our own company, and we have no desire strange faces to see, although that your offers are charming. now, says the sergeant, I'll have no such chat, and I neither will take from that spalpeen harbour rat. For if you insult me with one honor word, I'll cut off your heads in the morning. And then Arthur and I, we soon drew our hodds, and we scarce to give them the draw of their own blades. But a tasty, with a trusty shillelagh came over their heads, and we bade them take that on a fair warning. And their rusty old rapiers that hung by their side, we flung them as far as we could in the tide. Now take them out, devils, and call Arthur MacBride, and temper their edge in the morning. And that little wee drummer, we flattened his pow, and we made a football of his rowdy dow-dow. Threw it in the tide for the rock and to row, and the bid his tedious returning. And we haven't no money, paid them off in cracks, and we paid them no spent to their two bloody backs. For we leathered them there like a pair of wet sacks, and left them from dead in the morning. And so to conclude the finished disputes, we obligingly asked if they wanted recruits. For we were the lads who would give them hair clouts, and bid them look sharp in the morning. Me and me cousin one Arthur MacBride, as we went walking down by the seaside. Now mark what followed and what did betide, for it being on Christmas morning. Arthur MacBride, first time doing that one there. And I think it was James McNamee, I think, was looking for that one there. I said I'd give it a chance there. I kind of knew there was something caught me out there. I think the way it's a shillelagh tune. I'll do Right On for you, absolutely. Could you sing Sean South, please? I'll do that one for you. Shari McKinnon, I'll do that one for you. I'll do Right On, and then I will do Sean Shout. And keep the requests coming in, lads. If I missed that in there, I've missed a comment. I'm sorry there. I'm trying to get the old songs going there, and you can do the old chatting yourselves there. But if you are new to the stream, you're very, very welcome. Pop in something into the comments there to let me know you're listening and you're enjoying it. If you are new to the stream, and it's nice to see a lot of people over there on the old Twitch as well. I am trying to grow my old Twitch channel there, so if you haven't followed it, you can always stay on Facebook, but head over and give it an old follow. I think I'm on 123 likes as well, and we're going to be celebrating somehow if I get to 200 follows. So I'll do Right On. Right on, man. I need to go to here. True right, the finest horse I've ever seen, standing 16, 1 or 2, with eyes wild and green. And you ride that horse so well, with hands light to the touch, I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. And you ride into the night without a trace behind. Run your claw along my gut one last time. I turn to face an empty space where you used to lie, and look for a spark that lights the dark like a teardrop in my eye. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you, matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. Never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. Ride on, see you. I could never go with you, no matter how I wanted to. All right, good stuff. There we go. That was that was right on there, and then there was something else that came in there as well. What did I see there? Sean South there as well for Cherie. I think it's Cherie. I think it's Cherie. Yeah, Cherie. And then I'll do Master McGraw in front of me there on the way, and this one there. Try this one here. Well, it was on a dreary New Year's Eve when the shade of the night came down, when a lorry load of volunteers approached the border of town. There was men from Dublin and from Cork, Fermanagh and Tyrone, but the leader was a Limerick mansion south from Garryowen. For he fell beneath that northern sky, brave Hanlon by his side. Well, he's gone to join that gallant band of Plunkett, Pearse and Tone. Another martyr for all Ireland was south from Garryowen. Well, it was on a dreary New Year's Eve when the shade of the night came down, when a lorry load of volunteers approached the border town. There was men from Dublin and from Cork, Fermanagh and Tyrone. Come on, Tyrone! The leader was a Limerick man, shot south from Garryowen. But the leader was a Limerick man, shot south from Garryowen. Thanks very much. There's a song called Sean South from Garryowen. Thanks very much, Bernadette. There's a right on there. Saturday Homes around Garryowen. That's right. I thought, what is that? I know it, but I just can't think of it. Thanks very much, Brian. Brian from Why is in there again. Why? I think we say over here we go why. We pronounce the H, but you guys in the States and Canada go why. And we go why, like Cool Whip and Cool Whip. Understand? Cool Whip, Cool Whip, Cool Whip. Why? Why? What? Limnakaboo. I used to know that song. Limerick, you're a lady. Your sun and water's tears dry that long beauty that surrounds you. I'll take it with me, love, wherever I go. By the way, can I look some waters? Needy, find me far away from home. In the rain, you're a lady. Wondering nothing I ever know. Say cool, say whip. You're not on, yeah, Family Guy. That's not it. Let's have a listen here. Poor old Paul O'Brien has looking for this song for a while, and I gave another few people a shot there. I just can't nail the melody in this one, Paul. So that's why I'm kind of reluctant to do it. I kind of knew the other songs, some of the other songs, but let me just have a listen here. For a second. What's it called again? Master Magoo. Master McGrath. Where is it? Dan who did it, that's right. That's right, it is the opening for Sean South. Are you replying? Are you telling me, or because I knew that? Who said that? Marie. Are you telling someone else, Maria? Are you telling me? Cathy McGrath Wildcott, and I'm just doing Master McGrath here. I'm having to listen to it here. Well, I was anyway. Something like that, isn't it, Paul? I know you sent me a better version there than that one, but I just have that one on my music app there. Jesus, that's 1869 being the year and the day. The last sportsman all did appear. Jesus Christ. 1869 the last sportsman and more did appear. Maybe I'll do it down in the low. What do you think of that? Paul, if you have no objections, I'll just try it here to see if I get it. Sure, celery is going. No bother, Sherry. McGrath is that soccer game. All right, no bother. I hope she has a good one. I hope she scores a few goals there. Everyone, take care. Please stay safe from Sherry there. Thanks very much, Sherry. Appreciate you tuning in, and I hope you are enjoying the stream so far and enjoy the old soccer game there as well. How low can you go? That one is too high for me until I do the song. And but the shapes of these chords. Let's see how I get. 1869 being the year and the day. Those Waterloo sportsmen and more did appear. Year and day. They win the great prizes and bear them away. Never counting on Ireland and Master McGrath. I like those shapes, you see, but I can't. Master McGrath. Okay, I'm gonna push D. Okay, and apologies. Blame Paul when this one goes wrong. Okay. 1869 being the date and the year. Those Waterloo sportsmen and more did appear, but they gained the great prizes and bear them away, never counting on Ireland and Master McGrath. On the 12th of November, the day of renown, my granny's keeper, they left Lurgan town. A gale in the channel, it soon drave them more. On the 13th they landed on England's fair shore. Well, when they arrived there in big London town, those great English sportsmen all gathered around, and one of those gentlemen standing nearby said, "Is that the great dog you call Master McGrath?" Oh, well, one of those gentlemen standing around says, "I don't care a damn for your Irish greyhound." Another he sneered with a scornful ha-ha, "Will soon humble the pride of your Master McGrath." Then Lord Lurgan came forward and said, "Gentlemen, if there's any amongst you who has money to spend for your grand English nobles, I dare care a straw. Here's 5,000 to 1 on Master McGrath." Oh, Master McGrath, he looked up and McGrath, he looked up, then he wagged his old tail, informing his lordship, "Sure, I know what you mean. Don't fear noble Brownlow, don't fear them McGrath. We'll soon tarnish their losers," says Master McGrath. Stood up and covered the great English pride. Her master and keeper were close by her side. They led him away and the crowd crowed hurrah for the pride of all England and Master McGrath. Oh, well, Rose and the master, they both rang along. "I wonder," says Rose, "what so took you from home? You should have stayed there with your Irish domain, and not come to Glen Laurels on Albion's plain." "Well, I know," says the master, "we have heather and bogs, but we got in all Ireland there's good men and dogs. Lead on whole Britannia, give none of your jaw. Well, stuff that up your nostrils," says Master McGrath. Well, the hare, she led him on just as swift as the wind. He was sometimes before her and sometimes behind. He jumped on her back and he held up his paw. "Long live the Republic," says Master McGrath. "Long live the Republic," says Master McGrath. There's a song called Master McGrath, and first time doing that one there. I had it on play on. Jesus, I can't do Rocket to the Moon. Mossy, I wouldn't know where we even have the words to it. We'll save that one there for Big Seven Bowie. Are going to be doing a stream very, very soon, so I'll try and hold off the old Finns, the Finnish songs until that, if that's all right with you. That was awesome. It's a great song, Paul. I love it, and I love some of the lyrics there as well. "Stick that up your nostrils." That's such a cool line. I'll work on it there now as well. Fair play, man. Thanks for keep the requests coming. I know there's loads of requests coming in there, and you're all waiting for loads of songs and stuff there. But keep the old requests coming in there. Just thought you couldn't get with any more class you're playing. Limerick, you're a lady. Hats off. One of the songs, I learned that song around the same time as Black Velvet Band Sonny's Dream, trusting it down to Laura and Tonga and a few of them ones there. How about the Key Finn song? I'm telling everybody about the Key Finn song, John, but I still don't know it. Oh, geez, I don't know what the fuck it is. Won't you I need a key, Finn. Won't you come in? So it's in A minor anyway, because he said that. Come down from the mountain, Katie Daly. Jesus, do that. Katie Daly. I know Bowie does it there. Katie. Come down from the mountain, Timmy Begley. Let me see here. And I think I want to go in for another. I'll go on to 11 anyway and see. I think. What am I doing again? Katie Daly. I might see if I have another couple of songs there I might need to try myself go over. I have a couple of gigs coming up. I need to have a couple of songs learned from them. What's this one? Of course, I'll never get those lyrics again when I properly. They don't copy and paste properly into my fucking thing. Let's try this here and this might put in properly. Yahoo! Put it in here and see if I can decipher it. So you just want to copy and paste it, even though it's in verse form, it just goes straight in as all. One big bleh. So yeah, keep the old any chance of some more Sebastian McCummins. I'll try a couple of verses of that because I was messing around with her today. I'll get the verses of that one. I'll do no, this one. Oh, what is it? I'll do this one here first. Katie Daly, a million miles away from the world is a vampire. Well, come down from the mountain, Katie Daly. Come down from the mountain, Katie, too. Can't you hear us calling, Katie Daly? We want to drink your Irish Mountain Dew. Well, our old man Katie drinks the dairy in the pioneering year of 42. Our old man, he was a shot in Tombstone City for the making of his Irish Mountain Dew. Come down from the mountain, Katie Daly. Come down from the mountain, Katie, too. Oh, can't you hear us calling Katie Daly? I really want to drink your Irish Mountain Dew. Wake up and pay attention, Katie Daly. I am the judge that's going to sentence you. All the boys in court have drunk your whiskey, and to tell the truth, dear Katie, I drank too. Come down from the mountain, Katie Daly. Come down from the mountain, Katie do. Oh, can't you hear us calling Katie Daly? We want to drink your Irish Mountain Dew. So off the jail they took poor Katie Daly, but very soon the gates were open wide. An angel came for poor old Katie Daly and took her far across the great divide. Come down from the mountain, Katie Daly. Come down from the mountain, Katie do. Oh, can't you hear us calling Katie Daly? We want to drink your Irish Mountain Dew. Well, at the Golden Gates there stood poor Katie. St. Peter said, good brews there are a few. So step inside the Golden Gates, go Katie, and start your brew, your heavenly Mountain Dew. Come down from the mountain, Katie Daly. Come down from the mountain, Katie do. Can't you hear us calling Katie Daly? We want to drink your Irish Mountain Dew. Oh, come down from the mountain, Katie Daly. Come down from the mountain, Katie do. She'll never more be coming down the mountain, and never more will drink her Irish Dew. We'll drink her Mountain Dew, and never more will drink her Irish Mountain Dew. Katie Daly, tongue twisted at the end there, for show. Let's do a verse here of Bullet and Butterfly Wings. Let me see. I don't know where. I'm sure there's some weird bridge in it. So I'll just go as far as that. This is some of the songs that we grew up with there as well. A lot of Nirvana and Pearl Jam and stuff there, but I never got around to learning any. We used to do this one. We used to just jam this one, and then we used to jam out loads of Nirvana ones as well. Whatever that one is. That one is a really cool song. What's his name? There's a vampire. We got a better stomp than that. It's kind of cool. Yeah. The world is a vampire. The world is a vampire. Set the drain, secret destroyers hold you up to the flames. And what do I get from my pain? These straight desires and a piece of the game. Set the drain, secret destroyers hold you up to the flames. And what do I get from my pain? Betrayed desires and a piece of the game. Even though I know, I suppose I show all my cool and cold like cold Joe. Despite all my rage, I am still just a rat in the cage. My rage, I'm still just a rat in the cage. And someone will say, lost can never be saved. Despite all my rage, I am still just a rat in a cage. Now I'm naked, nothing but an animal. But can you fake it for just one more show? And what do you want? I want to change. And what have you got when you feel the same? Even though I know, I suppose I show all my cool and cold like cold Joe. Despite all my rage, I'm still just a rat in a cage. Despite all my rage, I'm still just a rat in a cage. Someone will say what is lost can never be saved. Despite all my rage, I'm still just a rat in a cage. Despite all my rage, I'm still just a rat in a cage. Despite all my rage, I'm still just a rat in a cage. Despite all my rage, I'm still just a rat in a cage. I felt like I just started forgetting about I was doing a stream there, and And I apologize, just had a little jam there to myself. What a fucking song though, holy shit. It's pretty easy to hold guitar there for that one. Absolutely. Some of those songs lend themselves to the drop D. What's the other one there as well? That one. No, that's his wee cute guitar again. Any Tenacious D. Jeez, I did learn some of the ones I don't think I should probably say over this one anyway. You don't have to do something hard. I learned a few of them there, but not the ones. We learned them just as not for gigging, just to jam out, but I can't remember. Oh Jesus! Who's that? Someone's calling me. Hello? Hello? I know who that is. Probably shouldn't answer the phone on the old stream, should I? I know who it is, and I never I need to write it down so I know who it is. Sandy. There we go. Sorry about that. So next door neighbour. No, not the neighbour. It's some good news actually about some gigs and stuff. There's some cool gigs coming through. So all good news, but I just can't. I just missed it actually. I would have answered, no bother. It's not the mother. No, not the mother. Mother wouldn't be ringing out this time. I won't block him. No, it's a musician friend of mine. They're calling. Saw me streaming and said it was terrible. He said he did a better job of it. I forgot what I was going to do there. Yeah, that one. I forget what else you said there. But I didn't know it. Oh yeah, Tenacious D. I wasn't even playing it on this streaming. There's this wonder boy sitting on the ground. Nothing much to wonder boy. What is the secret? I don't know. What other one did we grow up with, just for the crack of it? Oh, this is a German song, I think. And I put it on my list here because I like this song. Call-in requests. And by the way, Katie Louise, I didn't. You're only jumped in on the stream there now. Is that right? Is that correct? I am right, aren't I? And you're on the old YouTube there as well. Great news then. Yes, this is good news just for a couple of gigs. Shall we leave you alone now? No. If you have any more requests, throw them in there. I'm just going to try a song, an old song. This is, I think it was Nina was the person who wrote it. 99 Balloons. I'm going to see how far to get it there. Because it's been on my head there for a little bit. this one here for the crack. You and I in a little toy shop, a bag of balloons, the money we've got, set them free at the break of dawn, till one by one they were gone. Back at base bugs in the software, flashed a message, something's out there, floating in the summer sky. On 99 red balloons go by. 99 red balloons floating in the summer sky. Panic bells, it's a red alert. There's something here from somewhere else. A war machine springs into life. Open up one eager eye, forcing it on the sky. As 99 red balloons go by. Decision Street, and 99 ministers meet. The worry, silver scurry. Call out the troops now in a hurry. This is what we've waited for. This is it, boys, this is war. The president is on the line. As 99 red balloons go by. German verse here. Can't do it. You and I in a little toy shop, buy a bag of balloons with the money we've got, set them free at the break of dawn. Till one by one they were gone. Back at base bugs in the software, flashed a message, something's out there, floating on the summer sky. 99 red balloons go by. 99 red balloons floating in the summer sky. Panic bells, it's a red alert. There's something here from somewhere else. The war machine springs into life, opens up one eager eye, focusing it on the sky. As 99 red balloons go by. Decision Street, 99 ministers meet. To worry, silver scurry. Call out the troops now in a hurry. This is what we've waited for. This is it, boys, this is war. The president is on the line. 99 red balloons go by. Red balloons go by. 99 dreams I have had, and everyone a red balloon. It's all over and I'm standing pretty in the dust that was a city. If I could find a souvenir just to prove the world was here, and here it is, a red balloon. I think of you and let it go. 99 Red Balloons there. I remember a band called Goldfinger covering that as well, and that was a really cool. The German verse, not a fucking hope, because I looked at it there and it's the moment's over now, but I just look at it there and it was just It was ridiculous looking. I thought there was another English verse there. 99 Craig Minister, Strikos und Benzinkanister. Halten sich für schick laut, Witterhin schon fettbüt. Reifen Krieg und wollten Macht. Man, wer hat das gedacht? Dass es in Himmel Sweat kommt. Wegen Nuff Luft. 99 Luft or Nuff Luftballons. 99 Luftballons. Holy shizball, that's a hard language. Okay. I'll do the German verse for you next time. How's that? But like, you know, it would have just been gibberish. By the time I finish one word, the 7 words would have passed by. Oh shit. Captain Kirk. That's right. Is it that one? There is. I don't know why I only have a couple of. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yes, Goldfinger is the version I know. That, yeah, it's a really cool version. Really kind of new metal-y kind of buzz, you know. Benzene canister. What's a benzene canister? Sounds like it could be something got to do with drinking, no? Easier than Gaelga. Possibly. Thanks, Tobias. Good man. I'll have to try and get those other verses to that there. Lads, pop in the last couple of requests here, and I'll see if you're enjoying a bit of oh, there's one more. There's a pop song I want to try here there. I'll try here there. It's I have to do it for something coming up soon. So I'm gonna try it here for you. I love the song anyway. Let me see here. Jesus, it's really freaking hard to sing. I'll do it on really low and then see. Yeah, pop in the last couple of requests there, lads, and I'll do them for you after this one here, because this isn't going to be one that I've never done this before. I just. For all you Irish music fans, you won't like this one. Mary said, I'll do that one for you, Paul. I didn't do the Marie. I didn't learn the other Marie one there. The Mary one. I didn't learn the last one. So this is Sia. I think it's Sia. Titanium. You shouted out, but I can't hear the words you say. I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm criticized, but all your bullets ricochet. You shoot me down, but I get up. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Fire away, ricochet. You take your aim, fire away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You cut me down, but it's you'll have further to fall. Ghost town, unhaunted love. Raise your voice, Sticks and stones may break my bones. I'm talking loud, not saying much. Bulletproof, nothing to lose. Fire away, ricochet, take your aim. Fire away, you shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Stone hard machine gun, firing at the ones who run. Stone hard with bulletproof glass. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. I am titanium. I am titanium. Thanks very much. There's something I'm working on at the moment there. First time they're doing it live. But I've always loved that song, so I'm glad I'm getting a chance to learn it there. Beth Miles is in there. Hello, Beth Miles. How are you getting on? Okay, so I'm gonna finish off here. It's 11:01, and I apologise. I did mean to start streaming at 7 and go for like 4 hours or something like that. But it was an hour and a half late starting, as it happens. But I'm glad I was able to get another stream in there. I can't stream tomorrow. I would have been normally streaming on Wednesday, only on Twitch. So I said I'd go on Tuesday instead and cover all the platforms as well. But myself and Bowie are hoping to stream on Saturday. I'm kind of waiting on. We could be held up. It was actually me only. I could be held up. So it's kind of pending. The gig, the stream on Saturday pending. We'll be set up here, ready to go, and it'll be only a matter of getting back here in time, basically, to stream. Obviously you're not going to be making your plans around it there, but just letting you know if you are going to be sitting in on Saturday night, chilling out and around that, and you're looking for a bit of music. Myself and Bowie could be possibly gigging. You can even give us a message on our Facebook to find out closer to the gig. We'll probably know within an hour or two of it, probably around 7 o'clock or something like that. And if we are going to be streaming, it'll be like 9 o'clock or something like that. So thanks very much. Is there if you're new on the stream, lads, thanks very much. I'm just looking at the amalgamated chat. I'm not even on Twitch myself there, but we can do an old raid here at the end of this as well. So if anyone, John Tomei isn't in here at the moment, but if anyone wants to raid anyone, I can have a look here myself and see who's. I kind of like. I know it's probably not good Twitch practice, but I kind of like raiding people that might not have loads and loads of followers as well. I know you're probably supposed to raid people that have loads of followers, because then they give you some back or something. I don't know. I'm not really sure, but I kind of like the idea of someone without money and then you giving them a few. I know, I like that myself. So anyway, we'll do that in a second. But I'll do the Mary set, okay? But there was another song. Someone wants me to add an Elvis Marie song to it there as well. The The Mary, Mary, Marie. Thanks, guys. Thanks very much. Thanks for clap commands going. Clap commands. Play solo. I hear you. Okay, I'm gonna do the Mary said, guys, and thanks very much. Sure, I'll do this one here and then we'll have a chat. But this I have to leave it off this one here, and let me get a better drum sound. That's kind of cool. Oh shit. Yeah, that's good. Courtney Visser. Okay. If you, yeah, we'll go for her. And if you think there's someone else there, there's no bother. No, I just think, that's what, if someone is starting off and they might be happier with a few people jumping on there. I know I'd be happy if a few people jumped on to my stream. So, so I can see a lot of people anyway who jumped onto it there, onto the Twitch there as well. So I hope you do like Twitch. I miss the old emojis and stuff there myself there, but it's just a bit of crack. Different crack over there. Fine morning last July, a fine young girl came up behind me. Red-haired Mary, I did cry, will you come with me? Red-haired Mary, the donkey he can carry too. She looked at me, her eyes a twinkle, her cheeks were all rosy hue. Tightly, kindly, sir, she answered. Then she tossed her bright red hair. Says I'll how the donkey if you ride with me to the Dingle Fair. When we reached the town of Dingle, she caught me hand to say goodbye. When I tinker, he came up behind me, hit me right in my left eye. Take hands off red-haired Mary, she and I are to be wed. We were with the priestess Sunday morn, the night belaying our marriage bed. Will you take hands off red-haired Mary, she and I are to be wed. We were with the priestess Sunday morn, the night belaying our marriage bed. Knocked her to Tom Murphy's door. He galloped off to meet his father, the tallest man knew where to beat. He tapped me gently with his knuckle, now he missing two front teeth. And she, the happy calling man, with you I go. She said, never mind the priestess for any more. Tonight we'll sleep in Murphy's shed. Take hands off red-haired Mary, she and I are to be wed. We were with the priestess for any more. Tonight we'll lie in our marriage bed. Will you take hands off red-haired Mary, she and I are to be wed. We were with the priestess early morn, the night we'll lie in our marriage bed. fair together, my black eye and her red hair. Gazing gaily at the tinker, working we the happy pair. Take our hands off, red hair Mary, she and I are to be wed. We were with the priest this early morn, the night we'll lie in our marriage bed. Will you take our hands off, red hair Mary, she and I are to be wed. We were with the priest this early morn, the night we'll lie in our marriage bed. Take our hands off, red hair Mary, she and I are to be wed. We were with the priest this very morn, the night we'll lie in our marriage bed. Will you take our hands off, red hair Mary, she and I are to be wed. We were with the priest this very morn, the night we'll lie in our marriage bed. Boop clap, boop clap, boop clap, boop clap, boop clap, skibbity bop bop, boop clap, boopity clap bop. Arm in arm and row, off for Mary's wedding. Over hillways, up and down, myrtle green and bracken brown, past the shoelings through the town, all for the sake of Mary. Step gaily and we go, heel for heel and toe for toe. Arm in arm and row, off for Mary's wedding. Red her cheeks as Rowan's are, bright their eyes as any star. Fairest of them all by far is our darling Mary. Step gaily and we go, heel for heel and toe for toe. Herring, plenty meal, plenty peel to fill her keel, plenty bonny barns as well, that's the toast for Mary. Step gaily and we go, heel for heel and toe for toe. Arm in arm and row, off for Mary's wedding. Step gaily and we go, heel for heel and toe for toe. Arm in arm and row, off for Mary's wedding. Boop clap, bap, boop clap, boopity bap bap, boop clap, boop clap, boop boop clap. What song is that? Bop, clap, 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 clap. Well, in the village of Kilgorey, there's a maiden young and fair. Her eyes shine like diamonds, she had long and golden hair. When a countryman came riding up to her father's gate, he rode on a milk quite standing, he came at the stroke of eight. Step it on Mary, my fine daughter, step it on Mary if you can. Step it on Mary, my fine daughter, show your legs to the countryman. I have come to wed your daughter, Mary of the golden hair. I have gold and I have silver, I have goods beyond compare. I will buy for her 6 satins and a gold ring for her hand. I will buy for her a mansion, she'll have servants to command. Step it on Mary, my fine daughter, step it on Mary if you can. Step it on Mary, my fine daughter, show your legs to the countryman. Of Kilgorey, there's a maiden young and fair. Her eyes shine like diamonds, she had long and golden hair. When a countryman came riding up to her father's gate, here on a milk quite standing, he came at the stroke of eight. Step it on Mary, my fine daughter, step it on Mary if you can. Step it on Mary, my fine daughter, show your legs to the countryman. Your daughter Mary of the golden hair. I have gold and I have silver, I have goods beyond compare. I will buy for her 6 satins and a gold ring for her hand. I will buy for her a mansion, she'll have servants to command. Step it on Mary, my fine daughter, step it on Mary if you can. Step it on Mary, my fine daughter, show your legs to the countryman. Sir, love a soldier, I have pledged to him my hand. I don't want your gold nor silver, I don't want your house nor land. Or his father spoke of sharply, you will do as you're told. You will marry him on Sunday, you will wear that ring ring of gold. Oh, step it on, Mary, my fine daughter. Step it on, Mary, if you can. Well, step it on, Mary, my fine daughter. Show your legs to the countryman. In the village of Kilgorey, there's a deep stream running by. They found Mary there at midnight. She had drowned with her soldier by. In the village there is music. You can hear her father say, well, step it on, Mary, my fine daughter. Sunday is your wedding day. Well, step it on, Mary, my fine daughter. Step it on, Mary, if you can. Step it on, Mary, my fine daughter. Show your legs to the countryman. Step it on, Mary, my fine daughter. Step it on, Mary, if you can. Step it on, Mary, my fine daughter. Show your legs to the countryman. Step it on, Mary, my fine daughter. Step it on, Mary, if you can. Step it on, Mary, my fine daughter. Show your legs to the countryman. Step it on, Mary, my fine daughter. Step it on, Mary, if you can. Step it on, Mary, my fine daughter. Show your legs to the countryman. That's it for me, guys. Thanks very much. I'll get a bit carried away with that one there. Yeah, so that was the Mary, Mary, Mary set, or the Mary, 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 Mary set. Let me see, what did I do there? I shouldn't have. Shouldn't be on. Oh, that should be muted. He's doing that. Hold on a second. Yeah, that's that one. Yeah. Oh, that's it. Something happening. Yeah. Okay, so thanks very much, lads. I do appreciate tuning in there on a Tuesday, and I hope you enjoyed the music. Thanks for bearing with me there for all the messing around there and a bit of jamming and stuff like that. I know it was probably a bit painful for myself there sometimes. No bother, Maria. Very good. Thank you very much. I do appreciate it. Thanks, Peggy. And now to all the names there again. Just the medicine I need. Thanks, Bernadette. Emily Vicar just gone live. She'll do a nice looped Raiders theme song. No bother. We can do Emily Vickers for sure if you want. Katie. That was grand. No bother. Okay, good. Thanks, Zach. Fair play to you, pal. Zach Moran in there as well. A ledge of a musician. I gotta get my head down. No bother, Paul. Thanks a million, pal. Master McGrath, just done now. At least the ice is broken on it there, so we can work on it there. Lots of songs with a bit kind of broken in there tonight, so that's pretty cool. Hanson can hold a candle to Key or the Finns. Would you believe it? The other half there is Listened to Hanson for probably the last month, month I'd say. She's non-stop listening to Hanson. I'm not even joking. And she loves them, absolutely loves them. Probably more ways than one, but she she loves. Hanson has been on here every single day for the last couple of months, and I kid you not. So guys, thanks very much, Beth as well, Bernadette, and who else is in there as well? Catherine Bryant as well there. Thank you very much, Catherine. Patty is in there as well. Paul John Harty. There's loads of people in there tonight. Everyone who came in and had to go there as well, because it is a school night. Sarah Eichhoff, Katie Louise was in there as well. I'm just flying back up through it here. I know who tuned in there. So Sherry was in there as well. Rebecca was in there as well. Andrew was in. Toby was in. Marcel was in. I don't want to forget anyone. No, I probably shouldn't start going through all the names. Worst thing to do ever. Anyway, if you did tune in, I'd really appreciate it there. Okay, so I'm going to just need another Marie for the quartet. I do. I don't know how the other one will work in with it though. How would the Elvis Marie set one, or what is it called? I forget what you called it. Yeah. Okay. Cool. All right, lads. Thanks very much. Let's raid someone here. Who are we gonna raid? Who is we going to raid? Emily Vickers, isn't that right? Okay, where is she? Fucking anyway. Maybe it'll come in my phone there. Emily. Emily Vickers. No, I thought I would save it. What's her name again? I didn't see the live version of that one, no, but she probably has there. Proud Mary for the Mary's set. How would that go? It's interesting, Catherine Bryan. It might work. It might work because if I'm in F minor. It might. Mary Mac might work. Yeah. That might work. How many Mary and Mary Marys could we fit into it? Okay, let's have to go. I have to find this. Where is it? Emily McVicker, that's it. Okay, okay, Emily McVicker. Emily McVicker. / raid. Emily McVicker. Yeah, McVicker. I think I have it there now. Let's see. This will tell me if it's ready to go. Okay, so guys, thanks very much. I really do appreciate it there. We're raiding over on Twitch, but it's Mary Mac. Mary Mac might be a good one. It's kind of in the same key and stuff like that. Okay, I'll put that one on the list there. And we're ready to raid here now. Okay, so guys, thanks very much. I appreciate it. I'm going to raid, and then I'm just going to pop off the oak here. So thanks very much, and have a good night. And hopefully I'll see you with Bowie in here for the Saturday Fins stream. Should be a good crack. It's not 100%, but hopefully Bowie's down to stream there. As I heard, he was on there. He would have came over tonight. I didn't tell him, but I didn't think of it. He never normally could. So okay, see you on the other side, and keep her shandy. And yeah, okay. Let me see. Raid. Boom.